Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making burrito casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a 9x13 baking pan, and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of canola spray oil. I have some chunky salsa here. I'm going to put a little bit of that in the bottom of the pan. And this is going to be a really quick and easy recipe. Let me grab a spoon quick, guys. I'm just going to smear my salsa around. And this is something I thought up the other day, and I figured I'd give it a try. Dexter, aren't you going to talk? He was just in there squawking away a little while ago. I think he's hiding out from you guys. Okay, now I have some store-bought burritos. I thawed these out on the counter for a while. I'm going to line them in my pan. And I bought 2 packs, but 1 pack will be more than enough. I'm just going to take this last one and we're going to break it and just fit it in there. Don't have to be perfect. Alright, now I'm going to take and put a little bit of cheese in. I'm using cheddar cheese. Just want to put a nice coating in there. Now I have some ground beef here. I have 2 pounds of ground beef that I fried up. I drained the grease off of, and I put 2 packs of taco seasoning mix in. We're going to get that in on top of the cheese. Just want to layer that in there. Alright. And guys, it's going to be a really delicious casserole. Really easy. I'm going to put a little more salsa in there. Move this around. And I'm going to put more cheese on there. Now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven uncovered for about 20 to 25 minutes till my cheese is melted and everything's heated through. Like I said, those burritos are thawed, but they're cold inside. So when it's ready to come out, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, this went for 20 minutes. The cheese is all melted, it's heated through, it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished this with some fresh lettuce and diced tomato and a little more salsa on top. Let me get in here and dig in. It's really good, guys. You get that classic taco flavor from the taco hamburger. Let me get a little deeper into this burrito. This is a beef, bean, and cheese burrito, so it's got refried beans in it. You can use any kind you like. You're getting this good flavor from the burrito, the freshness from the lettuce and tomato and the cheese. Guys, that's really good and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, burrito casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.